Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get SNAP food stamps benefits fast in the U.S. Step 1. Check if you qualify for expedited SNAP. Some applicants can get benefits in as little as 7 days. You may qualify if you have very low income, very limited resources, or urgent need for food. Eligibility varies slightly by state, but the faster review applies nationwide for emergency cases. Step 2. Apply immediately through your state agency. Go to your state's SNAP website, apply online, or visit your local SNAP office. The sooner you apply, the sooner the evaluation starts. Many states allow same-day interviews for urgent cases. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Have these ready to speed things up. Proof of identity, proof of income or lack of income, rent, utility, and housing information, bank balance or resource details. Keeping documents organized helps prevent delays. Step 4. Request expedited processing during your interview. When the SNAP office contacts you, clearly state that you believe you qualify for expedited SNAP. Answer questions honestly and completely. Quick, accurate responses help move your case forward faster. Step 5. Submit any additional documents quickly. If your caseworker asks for more information, send it right away. Missing papers are the most common cause of delays. Step 6. Track your application. Most states let you check your case status online. Respond to any messages immediately to avoid processing slowdowns. Step 7. Receive your EBT card. If approved for expedited benefits, you may receive benefits within a week, sometimes even sooner depending on your state. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.